more birds in sight. A couple of them. And up in the top of the tree, I can't get a good shot on them, but this one pretty good. And they will eventually come down to this feeder right here when I'm right next to it, and they will get a bite and then run off. Oh, here's one. One up on the top of the tree right there. There's three of them actually. There's one, two over there, and then there's one way up there. One just creeping above right there, if you guys can see. And then there's a couple of them over in this tree, over there. And then there's that one up there, so that one's just eyeing me. And then that's about it. Come back with more.